From radio waves that traveled through seas and skies, to cameras that captured the stars and brought them down to earth, Wales's creative pioneers have fueled change and illuminated our world. In the Cardiff Capital Region, home to one of the largest media clusters in the UK, the power of imagination lays the foundation for invention and transformation. Bolder, greener, fairer, creating a unique sense of place. Cynefin, where ambitions soar and horizons sing, turning Cardiff into a global centre for media innovation, bringing fair economic growth so we can go further together. We are here to champion the innovators and harness the power of collaboration to shape the future of media in Wales as a whole. We are Media Cymru.